Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are broadcasting a new project launched in Wakad, near Wakadkar Vasti. This is hardly 1 kilometer from Hinjewadi IT Park, hence a ideal project for all the employees working at Hinjewadi IT Park. This project has excellent connectivity to the express highway, hardly 5 minutes of drive. So there are three ways to reach the highway. So I'm marking these three ways. This is your site master layout, spread over 8 acres of land. In phase 1, 5 towers were delivered. In phase 3, 3 towers are launched, D1, D2 and D3. Let's see the carpet area. For 2 BHK, minimum is 620 square feet starting at 55 lakh and maximum is 726 square feet. For 3 BHK, the minimum carpet area is 849 and maximum is 1002 square feet carpet area. Let's begin with the actual sample flat tour, which will be showcased during every site visit. This sample flat is of a 2 BHK apartment. So let's go ahead. This is how the entrance starts. Now the entrance lobby is 5 into 3.6. We have been through the floor plan and very astonishingly we have found all the apartments are Vastu compliant. With the launch of 3 new towers, amenities for these 3 towers will be new. So right now we are in the living area and the living area is 15 into 11. Right ahead is your dining, that is 11 into 5.6. Friends, please observe small things from the skirting tiles till the painting done throughout the walls. This developer is known for its quality construction. They are employed by the major developers in Pune for the construction work. We are in the terrace area. Anti-skid flooring will be given in the terraces, and in the apartment, simple vitrified flooring is provided. This project is ideally connected to Wakad, Balewadi and Hinjewadi. So it is ideal for those buyers who are staying in this vicinity. Let's have a look at the chef's kitchen. Friends, please observe small things. The apartment, the quality of construction and the layout of the floor plan, which we'll share once we get a call from you. It is very well laid out. Friends, what you see is what you get. L-shaped black granite platform. And the kitchen has a dimension of 8 by 8. And it is in certain apartments 8 by 10. Just have a look at the beautiful tiling work done on the dado walls. The developer has launched these 2 BHKs and 3 BHK homes at a very affordable rate, and this is a launch rate which you will find it very feasible to buy at. Those who are interested in having an affordable home in Pune, majorly the central part of Pune, the Wakad location, please give us a call. Developer will be providing you with concealed copper wiring, branded electrical fittings, telephone and TV points in living and master bedroom. There will be a provision for inverter connection, solar system and a video door phone in each apartment. So friends, have a actual look of a living area, how beautiful the living area looks. The work of this developer is very visible in terms of good quality construction. To give you more idea, all the 3 towers that are launched are 14 stories each. And the construction technology used will be My1 technology to develop these buildings. Hence, there will be no issue of leakage and seepage in these particular buildings. Right now, we are in the first bedroom, the kids' bedroom. The dimensions are 11 by 10. Friends, please observe the beautiful work done throughout the apartment. Look at the quality construction, look at the skirting work done at the bottom of the walls, look at the tiling work done, have a look at the painting finishing done. This is how a home will be delivered to you by this developer at a very affordable price. Now let's go ahead, have a look at the other rooms. The CP fittings and sanitary fittings across all the washrooms will be of German and Indian brands. So have a look at the tiling work. So this is the old tiling work. You will be getting a better version of the tiles with the current market trends. Now friends, let's have a look at the last bedroom, the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has a dimension of 13 into 11. That is very standard size, 13 into 11. And friends, again and again, have a look at the work done. Beautiful work, quality construction, very visible. Friends, the project is just launched. Hence, please be a very wise investor. Come at this stage and buy the product. You will get the rate benefit here at this time. Please note this developer is a cash rich organization. Hence, your possession is very well assured. They are a debt free company. The possession for this particular project is December 2023. It is ideal for those who can wait for next 2 years to get the possession of such a beautiful apartment in Central City, Wakad. Please note LN Realty is the official marketing partner for the developer. To give you an idea, in phase 1, 5 towers were handed over and people are living happily. Society has been formed. So to be a part of this community where you'll have a healthy lifestyle ahead at a very affordable price that suits your background, give us a call. We are requesting to our viewers, please share this video with your friends and family members who are looking for affordable homes in Wakad starting from 60 lakhs which are negotiable. We will be there to assist them. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are available over a call and WhatsApp. Hence please connect with us. Thank you for watching. Stay subscribed.